Hello, and welcome to our step-by-step video on how to register for Expertzone. First thing is you can head over to expertzone.microsoft.com on the web, or you can download our Expertzone application, which is available in both the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. From there, you're able to do the registration from either the web or the app. So let's get started. Once I'm here on the landing page, I can go ahead and log in with my Microsoft account. When you do first log in, you're able to choose if you want to use your business account or a personal account. If I do use a personal account, please don't be too concerned. You can always connect your business account later on inside of Expert. Because my account is using a Microsoft Authenticator, I'm going to approve the Authenticator and it's going to ask me to stay signed in. You can choose yes or no. This is completely a personal preference. Once complete, we'll head over to the Expertzone registration page. Once I get on this registration page, you can start including information such as your name or preferred name, where you live. I personally am here in the United States, so I'm going to select the US as I go forward. You can also choose wherever you might live. You can also select where and who you work for. There's lots of different companies for both commercial and consumer. But if you're not included and your business is not here when you do a search, you can go ahead and choose other commercial or other consumer depending on the type of business you work on. The next line here says field rep token. This can be ignored and is not necessary for registration going forward. You'll also see things like the interface languages as well as the preferred content language. And don't forget to go ahead and click on our Expertzone community guidelines so you can just take a quick look over that. Once you understand that and you review our terms and conditions, you can go ahead and accept those and go to the next portion of the registration, which is customizing our feed. We can go ahead and, for instance, I'm interested in things like Expertzone, Microsoft 365, and Microsoft Office, and you can completely personalize your feed so that you get learnings that are closest to what you're looking to get out of it. So I'll have these different stories on my feed and I'll hit get started. And just like that, I'm now on the Expertzone landing page and ready to start learning on Microsoft's free to partner learning management system.